Right now, as you're watching this video, your neighbor, your coworker, maybe even your own family member is getting approved for loans at nearly half the interest rate you're paying. They're saving $50,000 to $60,000 on their mortgage. They're driving the same car as you, but paying $200 less per month. And the only difference between them and you? 3 digits. Their credit score is 800. Yours probably isn't. And here's what nobody tells you. Only 22% of all Americans have reached the exceptional credit range of 800 or above. That means 78% of people are leaving massive money on the table every single day, paying higher interest, getting rejected for premium cards, and getting the worst deals from lenders. But today, that changes for you. Because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step system to hit an 800 credit score, backed by real data from Experian, LendingTree, and FICO. Let's go. Before we get into how, let me show you exactly why this number changes your financial life forever. Benefit number 1. You save tens of thousands on your mortgage. With top-tier credit, you could save approximately $59,000 over the life of a 30-year mortgage on a $400,000 home compared to someone with a score around 670. That's a brand new car, a college fund, a vacation home down payment, all because of your credit score. Benefit number 2, lowest interest rates on everything. An 800 credit score gives you better approval odds, better credit card offers, lower interest rates, and access to higher credit limits, all at the same time. Benefit number 3, premium credit cards are yours. We're talking about Amex Platinum, Chase Sapphire Reserve, Capital One Venture X, cards with $500 plus, and annual travel benefits, airport lounge access, and cashback rewards. These premium products are often reserved for people with exceptional credit scores. Benefit number 4, even your insurance gets cheaper. In states where it's legal, most auto and homeowners insurance companies use your credit history to determine your monthly premiums, meaning an 800 score can get you discounts there too. All right, you get it. 800 is the number. Now let's build it. Before you fix something, you need to understand how it works. Your FICO score, used by 90% of top lenders, is made up of 5 factors: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, new inquiries. A study of people with 800-plus credit scores found they pay on time 100% of the time. Not some of the time, not most of the time, 100% of the time. The average consumer has 6 late payments on their credit report. Even one 30-day late payment can drop your score by as much as 100 points. Most people think staying under 30% utilization is good enough. It's not. If your goal is 800, people with 800-plus credit scores keep their credit utilization at an average of just 5.5% of their available. That means if you have a $10,000 credit limit, you should be using no more than $550. How to get there fast? Pay your credit card balance before the statement closing date. Request a credit limit increase. This lowers utilization without spending less. Spread spending across multiple cards. This is a mistake I see people make all the time. They pay off an old credit card and close it, thinking, that's the smart move. Wrong. The oldest active account for people with 800-plus credit scores averages 23.3 years old. That long history is gold. The moment you close that old account, you shorten your credit history, and your score takes a hit. Keep your oldest card open, even if you never use it. Even if the rewards are bad, just keep it alive. Lenders love seeing that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. Members of the 800 Club average 9 open accounts, a mix of credit cards and installment loans. Ideally, you want at least 2 credit cards plus 1 installment loan, such as a car loan, student loan, or personal loan. This mix shows lenders you're a well-rounded, responsible borrower. Every time you apply for a new credit card or a loan, the lender runs a hard inquiry on your report. Each hard inquiry can knock roughly 5 points off your score. Multiple inquiries in a short period can have a large impact. The rule: wait at least 6 months between applications. Only apply for credit when you truly need it, not Because a store offers you 20% off today. This one is huge, and most people skip it completely. Credit reporting errors are not uncommon. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you can challenge any inaccuracy. The Bureau has 30 days to investigate and 5 days to notify you of their findings. Here's what to do right now. Go to annualcreditreport.com. Get your free report from all 3 bureaus. Look for wrong account details, late payments that were actually on time, or unfamiliar accounts. File disputes with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion directly. So let's recap your action plan. Automate every payment. 0 late payments ever. Keep utilization below 10%, ideally under 5%. Never close old accounts. Build a healthy credit mix. Stop unnecessary hard inquiries. Dispute every error on your report. Do these 6 things consistently, and you will join the 800 Club. Now I want to hear from you. Drop your current credit score in the comments below. No judgment, just real talk. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down how an 800 credit score gets you the best credit cards in America that nobody talks about. See you there.